Do you have a furry friend who seems to leave a trail of destruction wherever they go? Spilled food, muddy paw prints, and stubborn pet messes can make keeping your floors clean a constant battle. Enter the BISSELL CrossWave HydroSteam Wet-Dry Vac, a multi-purpose cleaning machine designed to tackle even the toughest pet messes. But does it live up to the hype? Let's delve deeper into the features of the CrossWave HydroSteam and see if it's the perfect cleaning companion for your pet-filled home. HydroSteam Technology. Powering through tough, sticky messes, the BISSELL CrossWave HydroSteam boasts a unique feature: HydroSteam Technology. This technology combines a specialized cleaning solution with a stream of hot vapor to clean your floors. BISSELL claims that this method offers up to 20% better cleaning on tough, sticky messes compared to traditional methods. This is a game changer for pet parents who constantly battle dried food spills, trapped in mud, or other sticky messes left behind by their furry companions. All-in-one cleaning, vacuum, wash, and steam all at once. The CrossWave HydroSteam isn't just a glorified steam mop. It's a true all-in-one cleaning machine. It vacuums up dirt and debris, washes your floors with a cleaning solution, and steams them simultaneously. This one-step process saves you time and effort compared to using separate vacuuming, mopping, and steaming tools. 2-tank technology for continuous cleaning. Ever worry about cleaning your floors with dirty water? The CrossWave HydroSteam eliminates that concern with its 2-tank technology. One tank holds clean water and cleaning solution, while the other collects the dirty water and debris vacuumed up from your floors. This ensures you're always cleaning with fresh water, leaving your floors truly clean and sanitized. Tangle-Free Brush Roll for hassle-free maintenance. Pet hair can be a nightmare when it comes to traditional vacuums and mops. The CrossWave HydroSteam tackles that problem with its Tangle-Free Brush Roll. This innovative design minimizes hair wrap and prevents pet hair tangles, making cleaning and maintenance a breeze. Sanitizing formula for a deeper clean. The included hard floor sanitize formula works in conjunction with the HydroSteam technology to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria on your floors. This provides an extra layer of protection for your family, especially those with young children or pets. Additional features for convenience and ease of use. The CrossWave HydroSteam comes with several features that enhance user experience. Swivel head. The swivel head allows for easy maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces. Carry handle. The carry handle makes it convenient to transport the machine from room to room. Auto clean-out tray with accessory holder. This feature simplifies cleaning and storage of the machine and its accessories. The verdict: the BISSELL CrossWave HydroSteam Wet-Dry Vac is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for pet owners. Its HydroSteam technology tackles even the toughest pet messes, while its 2-tank technology ensures you're always cleaning with fresh water. The Tangle-Free Brush Roll, sanitizing formula, and user-friendly features add to the convenience of this all-in-one cleaning machine. While the price tag might be higher compared to basic vacuums or mops, the CrossWave HydroSteam's ability to vacuum, wash, and steam simultaneously, coupled with its pet-specific features, makes it a worthwhile investment for those who want a hassle-free and effective cleaning solution for their pet-filled homes. If you're tired of battling stubborn pet messes and want a cleaner, more sanitized home for your family and furry friends, then the BISSELL CrossWave HydroSteam is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.